bearings, they'll put them here, and then I'm gonna rotate and pull these down and do them,
Okay.
and that'll be back together.
Thrust bearings are in. So this is what you are. You good? I don't have you in the picture. I just got real. I got a very detailed picture of number 4. Let's go back and everything else. But those are the thrust bearings that just went in. I don't know if y'all seen them, but I tried to show it to you. Too bad. I'm sorry, but that is the next rod bearing. And all the white stuff is just lubricant. So don't be scared to lube your equipment. Since Kia didn't want to do it, you gotta do it your damn self. So you know it'll be right. You know it'll be right inside. So lube it up yourself. And just for reference, always use your torque wrench. So you don't mess up your screws. But if you happen to do this the way that we are doing it, and to save your arms from doing all the work, you can use a drill to get that up in there. Just do it slow. And if you need the specs for your Kia, you can pull them offline. I don't remember the name of the exact website that I got my manual from, but you can get it offline for free. Bearings. Be back shortly. Got work to do. Where is it going?
Number 2. 1, 2. Drag this down. Put it in place.
So where are we at? Okay, right there.
And my arrow facing the right way with the that way.
And yeah, that's how you do that. Just putting the connecting the rod bearings up in there, and that was number 2. I suggest that when y'all take these off, that y'all find some paint or some whiteout or something and number them so you know where they go, where to put them back at when you finish. You always want to make sure you know where your stuff goes back at and what came from where. And it is, like, again, you're going to find your specs and torque it.
Wait.
Okay, so this is one of the ones that was locked up and burnt up, and that's it. Yeah, locked up, burnt up. And that's the end result. Very bad shape. Let's see the grooves and stuff in there. And you can see them and you can feel them. Now, That's a good. You can see them really well. And then that is that the cap?
Yeah.
The rod bearing cap. And these are the new rod bearings. Okay.
Removing the packing oil. They're packing in oil to keep it from rusting in the store.
Okay.
I'm removing that. That's what I'm doing now.
Remove the packing oil. So remove the packing oil.
See them grooves?
Mm-hmm.
See that groove?
Mm-hmm.
That's one of them grooves, right?
Okay.
See, you make it
Before, after. Before, after. Kia, y'all fucking up. Bad. I want my money for this. My mechanic want his money for this Kia. Since y'all didn't want to come get my damn truck. And then want to say it's going to be months on top of months. And this damn raggedy motherfucker been sitting in this vehicle, in this garage. Y'all gon', I'm telling you. I want my money for this Kia. Y'all gonna sponsor this video. How about that? I'm just joking. Just a little ish talk with me and my baby. Can't even see where the groove was on this. That connects to the cap. Looks good.
Well, that number.
Let me see. That's a 3. It is. You alright? Yeah. And the bolt fell?
Yeah.
You okay?
Yep. I'm all around my world.
Derek.
That one of my balls.
Derek. Hold
What?
up. Stop. It's a piece of plastic up in there from your glove.